In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a zip file into an APK using ZArchiver on your Android device. First, make sure you have ZArchiver installed from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. When you open ZArchiver for the first time, you'll see a simple file manager view that shows folders like Download, Documents, and possibly your internal storage or SD card. Take a moment to get familiar with this layout because you'll need to know where your zip file is saved. Now, navigate to the folder where your zip file is located. For most people, this will be the download folder if you grab the file from a browser, or a specific folder if you copied it from another location. Scroll through until you find the zip file you want to work with. The file name will usually end with zip. Before you start converting, it's a good idea to check what's inside the zip file. To do this, tap once on the zip file. ZArchiver will show you its contents without extracting everything. You should look for files that are related to an Android app, typically a structure that could be turned into an APK. If you already see an APK file inside, then you may just need to extract it instead of converting. If the zip actually contains an APK file, tap and hold on the APK file inside, then choose the option to extract it. You can extract it to the current folder, or choose a different destination that's easy to find, like download or a new folder you create. Once it's extracted, go back to that location and you'll see the APK file ready to install. If your zip file is essentially an APK that has just been renamed as zip, you can simply rename it back to an APK. To do that in ZArchiver, go back to the main folder view, tap and hold on the zip file, and select the Rename option. Carefully change the file extension from ezip to APK. Confirm your changes. Android may show a warning that changing file extensions can cause issues, so only do this if you're sure the file is meant to be an APK. After renaming, tap the newly renamed APK file. ZArchiver will prompt you to install it. If you haven't already enabled installing apps from unknown sources, follow the on-screen instructions to allow it. Then continue with the installation. And that's how you use ZArchiver to go from a zip file to a usable APK on your Android device.